In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Chrome browser permanently. So if this is the first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you'll not be missing out videos like this. So let's begin. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your Chrome browser. Once you're there, you click on your profile. So after which you click on what? Manage your Google account. So guys, once you get here, you simply click on what? Data and policies. So after that, you simply need to scroll down. Scroll down. You are going to see what? More option. You click on it. So in some cases, Google will request you to verify yourself by inserting your password. So if you want to download your data before deleting, you simply need to click here. So I'm going to scroll down, and you have in mind that when deleting your account, you are going to delete all your email address, your YouTube, your dates, your Chrome OS device, your contacts, your Google services. So after that, you simply click on what? Yes. So you make sure you read this before clicking. Click on it. After that, you click on what? Delete account. So guys, that's actually the way you delete your Google account. As you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.